y'all over here. Oh shit. I'm about to fucking slip, bitch. Not in front of Bigo. I got me fucked up. I ain't trying to get banned, nigga. Poppin'. I'm out here with my girls, nigga. What up? We getting tanned and shit. You see my I need to control my edges. Oh. I want to go to Jamaica, so help us. If we meet our quota, we're going to Jamaica. Huh? Yeah, no, I'm not cold. No, I want to be wet. That church curl bag. Look at my nigga Mo. Yo, Mo! I didn't even know this shit was in Georgia. I'm not about to restart nothing. I'm at the beach. I can have my shirt off. I'm at the water. Ow! Wow. This shit refreshing as hell. I feel like I just recharged. All of the beautiful people together, all sort of colors. It's Georgia, baby. We in these trees. Look at sis. My niece is having a baby. Hey. My niece just had a baby. That little girl lit. His daughter lit as fuck. That little girl lit as fuck. Nah, I ain't no pimp. I ain't selling no pussy. What up? We lit. What did we start a live over? Said I'm up there with the Bigo Chinese now. What that mean? I'm gonna let you know if we touch the quota, but basically we have to get to S8. Hey, Solar, what's the quota we need to meet this month to go to Jamaica? What's the quota, Solar, that we need to meet to get the 12,000 so that we can go to Jamaica? We want to go to Jamaica, yo. You said 3 million? S9. We got to get to S9. That means we need to make how much? We need to make 1.5 million beans. How many boxes is that? I'm going to tell you how many boxes is it. I usually make 1 million beans, but this month we have to make 1.5 million. It's 150 boxes. 150 boxes. Basically, how much that a day for the rest of the month? How much is that a day for the rest of the month? So for the rest of the month, I got to get how many boxes for a day? Where's Super going? I need 6 boxes a day. Did we have to start the live over? They said Mama Efru back with Musa. Press 1 if y'all want to see Efru with Musa. Oh shit. It's mad ones. It's mad ones. Damn. Afro, they want it. We're gonna talk to Dr. Bishop. Y'all want to talk to Dr. Bishop about Efru and Musa? Y'all want to see Doc? We need to see Dr. Bishop today, man. Let's go get a office table. Yeah, let's go. Let's go talk to Dr. Bishop right now. Put us on 4 boxes so we can talk to Dr. Bishop. Let's go. Bro, if y'all want to talk to Dr. Bishop, press 1 about Efru and Musa. I'll go get the desk right now to set up for them and everything. They want to go. I know what's wrong. Hey, put me on 4 boxes. Dr. Bishop coming. That's a fact. We about to go right now. Come on, y'all, let's go. Huh? Huh? What time is it? It's 3:31. We about to go. 3:31? Yeah. I gotta go. We gotta do some shopping real quick. I'm gonna slide down this rock right here. Hey, yo, bro. Hey, I'll see y'all next time, bro. You good, bro? All right, bro. I'll be up here. Hey, you can do whatever you want. I'm about to slide my ass right down here, though. That's what I'm doing. What's up, y'all? What's up?
I just came in. I just
Yeah, let's go. We're gonna see Dr. Bishop. Let's go. We about to go see Dr. Bishop right now. Musa and my sister. Oh, y'all tripping. Musa and my sister. My sister, she for her Lord self. It's lit though. We about to go right now to put us on 4 boxes. Put us on 4 boxes, bro. Let me see. Aww. Got the new baby. All these girls, man. We need some boys.
I don't know what you tapping on me for. I'm done.
I'm with my cup. Hey, this mine? All right, let's rock. We out. My ass. Yo, we in Georgia. Enjoying nature. Four boxes. We about to go see Dr. Bishop. I'm about to go to Office Max, set up his office. Because I got other things to talk about as well. Like what's going on in damn Puerto Rico right now. They're going to have to call up. We're going to check on a couple. Oh, wait a minute. I'm about to just fail and bust their ass. You alright? Be careful, my nigga. All kind of hard on these rocks. Hit that shit hard. Easy. Chloe, you live in Jamaica, Chloe? Chloe, you live in Jamaica? Yo, Chloe, you live in Jamaica? I have to change my clothes right now. My clothes, like, I need some oil. This shit got me dry. Look at my sister, bro. Come on up, sis. Nah, these girls, they've been with me for years. They know how to climb, bro. They in shape. All my women is in shape. Nigga. They know how we get it in. She's not a naturalist, so to say. I gotta change my clothes. I gotta change my clothes. Malia, she can cook her ass off. She just don't cook. Aya doesn't cook it. Right here. Where? She dropped it? Man, come on, I gotta get dressed. Ask Musa to grab it. Man, come on, I gotta get dressed. It's 3 o'clock. I'm trying to beat the traffic. Malia, let's go. What the fuck are you doing? That shit. Yo, you listen to me. Fucking all that other shit don't matter, bro. When I tell you to do something, do it, man. I ain't got all day. I gotta go. Let's go, man. Trying to get dressed, nigga. It's 3 o'clock. I'm trying to beat the traffic. Y'all playing around. We on the other side of town. You getting dressed right up here. Let's go. Lag out. Right here, baby. Egypt, what up, nigga? I did. Come home. Oh, Malcolm. What'd he say? Call him back. Need my shirts first. Oh, yeah. Oil, please. Oil.
What the oil at, y'all? Yeah, I'm trying to deposit together first. Don't do that.
Sure, somebody come up. Aya, grab the camera.
Okay. No, just like, don't move that. That was so fun, y'all. When we went underneath the waterfall, there was a little pocket. Like, you go under there, it was very scary. It was very scary, but you go under it, and it was like a little cavern. It says people is reporting us or something. No, they ain't do it yet, but it says they're reviewing.
Huh?
It said they're reviewing for violations. Not yet. They put it in the chat room. The computer. Yeah, so that was cool. Yeah, they did. Yeah. You want me to just restart it so they don't block it? You want me to just restart it so they don't block it? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm not